Famalaaaay, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emanuel, and this is where we cherish the skin we're in. Now let's get into this no makeup look, honey. Wagwan and my beautiful people, forgive the grumpy cat face look. It's a really early morning. Okay, after you've primed your face, make sure it's clean faces, people. All right, you brush your hairs up with a spoolie or toothbrush, whatever you got, and then you put a face powder over it so that your eye pencil can lay properly. All right, so you can get the best out of your eye pencil. What I used was CoverGirl Clean Matte 565 Tawny, and then I went in with my Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in number 2 Hot Chocolate. Alright, today I'm switching it up because I got to leave the house, so yeah, I'm not using my concealer today underneath my eyebrow. So I'm going to go in with my Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Mousse Foundation. It's in 502 warm caramel. Oh kid, slow down. Alright, and normally I would use that just above my eyebrow, but honey, yeah, we ain't got the time for that today. Okay, so we got to go. Okay, so this one thing gotta do it for everybody. Okay, alright. Take your favorite blending brush and you're gonna have to blend the outer parts out as much as possible so that it basically looks like it's invisible. Alright, because you don't want no harsh edges, okay? Alright, you see that? Alright, we done. Okay, so right now we're going in with the e.l.f. color correcting stick, and this is for dark tones. Alright, yeah, it's almost done. I ordered me another one because you know what I'm saying. Until I can get like my chemical peel. Yeah, honey, we ain't got no choice. We gotta fight the good fight of faith, okay? Alright, and then I gotta blend that out a little bit. Alright, I'm saying, just blend it out. And I'm gonna use the concealer stick from Juvia's place called Grenada, alright, which, like, by the way, is a very beautiful island in the Caribbean. You should, when this COVID thing is all done, you should take a trip there. It's so beautiful. Alright, girl. And now I'm gonna go in with my I Am Magic by Juvia's Place 330 Accra. Alright, so a little trick of how to make sure that your concealer and everything underneath your foundation doesn't move. Yeah, you pat it on. Don't drag it, alright, along your face. Pat, pat, pat. After a while, you're gonna get accustomed to it. Girl, what you talking about? Your wrist at first is gonna feel really tired, but after a while you get accustomed to it, okay? And I normally start off with the middle of my face with my CoverGirl Clean Matte, alright? The 565 Tawny one, and I do around my eyes first and the middle of my face. And on the outer perimeters of my face, I go in with the darker colors like Maybelline New York Fit Me 362 Truffle. You can use your favorite contour palette. The one that I have is the RK by Kiss 3D Contour Artist Powder. And yes, girl, you're gonna see the little mistake that I made, but I'm gonna show you everybody makes mistakes in makeup. So just don't stress it, okay? Don't stress it. Just make sure that you still got your foundation brush, honey, alright? And just go in on the little areas that you made a little oopsie daisy. You see? Just like what I'm doing right here. Yay. Alright, so the two mascaras that I have, the green one I use on my bottom lash line because it's smaller. It's from Wet n Wild. Well, actually they're both from Wet n Wild. This one is the Mega Protein, the green one. And then the pink one is the Mega Volume. You see that? I just used my big voice. And we're gonna set everybody in place using the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Glow Setting Spray. Yes, girl. Ooh. Ooh. What I like to do is put the setting spray and then put, you know, my shimmer colors and my blush over it. Alright, so for that gold that you're seeing me put on right now is from #RockFashion #StyleRock palette, and that's from Walmart. And you can use any blush that you desire. I basically have one from Beauty Runway, and that is also from Walmart. I use some of the gold underneath my eyebrows, you know, just for a little glow. Okay, not that the setting spray wouldn't already do it, but you know me, girl, I'm extra, so yes. And what I'm going to use for my lips right now is just, you know, two simple things. The Burt's Beehive Natural Beeswax Lip Balm, and this pink sheer gloss from the Color Workshop, also from Walmart. Alright, my beautiful people, it was a pleasure. I hope that you enjoyed this no makeup look. Alright, see you guys in the next one. Be safe and have a good day or night. Later.